Good morning, students. Today we will know chapter 5, self independence. Self reliant, self sufficient, self determining, self ruling, self supporting. Before knowing self independent, we will know what is independent. What does independent mean? So, the definition of independent is someone or something that is free from the control of another. Example, we can give an example of independent is someone who lives on their own and supports themselves. Now, depend on yourself and try not to lean on others. Sometimes all we need is to trust ourselves a little more. Happiness comes from none other than you. Self-independence is a sweet and happy thing. Always rely on yourself. The biggest satisfactions in life come from what you have done on your own. That is the biggest satisfactions. Depend on none other than you. Freedom means only being dependent on yourself. Never ever let others disrespect you, but above all, never disrespect yourself. So, children, in our childhood, we are usually dependent on someone or the other. At home, we are dependent on our parents. At school, we are dependent on our teachers or classmates and so on. But it is very necessary to become independent. Being independent means to do most of our work ourselves. Being independent means to do most of our work ourselves. As we grow older, we learn to be independent. Then we are not dependent on others to do our work. Being independent does not mean that we cannot ask for help when we have been unable to perform a task on our own. Being independent does not mean that we can't ask any help from others when we need. When we need, we can ask help. We learn a lot and become confident by working independently. Being independent does not mean having the freedom to do whatever we want. Another important is what? Being independent does not mean that we can do whatever we want to do. It is wrong to think this way, that independent is mean that we can do anything. It means to do something on our own with the agreement of our parents, teachers and elders. So, being independent means to do something on our own with the agreement of our parents, teachers and elders. We can do that thing which our parents, teachers and elders give us agree, for which our parents, teachers and elders give us permission. They also agree with our opinion. That is most important.